Hi everyone, this is Mary for Stampin' Cap with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day. And I want to show you using one of the celebration sets called Darling Donkeys, how to make, better bring this up so you can see it, how to make this great little card. So what we're using is Darling Donkeys. We are using Memento and Bumblebee, and then we are using Regal's markers and basic, the neutral markers. Duh. And we are using a Whisper White note card. And this is just a really easy card to do. So I'm going to ink up the donkey with Memento Black. And I'm going to stamp him on the front. Just like that. And then I am going to take, I want basic gray, and I want smoky gray granite. Gray granite. I think it's gray granite. Yep, gray granite. And I am just going to color the donkey in. Now donkeys' burrows are different. There are different color patterns for burrows. Some are dark and then light, some are white and black, some are black and gray, some are white and gray. Some have dark snouts, some have light snouts, but they usually have a dark stripe down their back. And it's just, I mean, the coloring is with markers, it goes really fast. And then I'm going to highlight, I'm going to do the nose, the snout with the basic gray. And it will lighten up to show the little, and going to highlight his ears, and I'm going to put a stripe down his back. And I'll do his tail as a dark tail, and his hair up here, his mane. There. And then I'm going to take out my, well, maybe I will be taking out mine. Real red, and let's go for garden green. Okay. Just doing the rose and the stem. And I'm just using the smaller end for the stem. And then I am going to take out, they look like little snowflakes, little lights, whatnot. And I'm going to go all around, and I'm going to do some stamping off. Just want to get some background in here. Okay, and then I'm going to take my hello friend, or hey there friend, and I am just going to stamp that. Now you can stamp this with any color you want, if you wanted to use night and navy, whatnot, but I'm using basic black because I got it out. And there you go. Quick, fun, hey there friend card. You can use it as congratulations, you can use it as a thinking of you, or just a note card. I really would appreciate it if you enjoy my stuff to help my small business out by purchasing from me at marytroutner.stampinup.net. You can find the information down below, and don't forget to follow me on YouTube. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.